Got the Wyze video doorbell today. So it's about, I think it's $35. So it's the shipping, all the other stuff comes to be about $40. We got night vision, HD motion detection, two-way audio, person detection, 12-second clips, waterproof, and it does the video long way, so it's not like movie. Oh. So opening the box here, we got in here. So this is going to be the chime. Plug this in anywhere in the house that you want it. That'll be where the noise comes from. Here's the doorbell itself. This is what's going to be outside. Got a big button there on the camera. 2-wire hookup for the outside. And then a reset. So, as far as I know, just about all doorbells are 2 wires. When you connect them, they complete the circuit and it makes the noise. So that's pretty simple there. And then this is the angle. So if your doorbell, doorbell sit flat against the wall, but if you need it the angle so it's facing more towards like the driveway or something like that, you have this bracket that you put on the wall. You either aim it that way or you turn it upside down to aim the other way, depending on where your doorbell is in your house. This is the other bracket for just going flat, and that was like attached to this angled one. Just pop that out if you're just going flat against the wall. Just use this bracket. Here's a little wire kit. Some wire nuts. These are for mounting. Put these into the wall so you can screw them in there. Let's take a look at what we got here. So we got the wire nuts. So on the outside, we're just going to tap these in to your existing doorbell wires. And this wire is a jumper wire for the actual, it's like to bypass the doorbell that you have. It's whatever's hanging on the wall in your house, probably your hallway or something. Use this wire to bypass that, but keep the power going to this. So this will have constant power. This wire makes it so this will have constant power. Right now your doorbell does not have constant. Well, it might if it's lighted, but normally doesn't have constant power. That's what you're going to need to have this sticker, the start guide. So first thing we're going to want to do is install it. So you locate your doorbell. Mine's in the hallway here. Remove the cover. And then I got 3 wires. You see this says, so I have a door or a bell for the back door. So you see this is front and rear. So I'm going to need to remove this bottom one for the front door. But I can't do that while holding the camera. So I removed the bottom one. I'm also going to have to remove this middle one because that's the circuit. So after I do that, the back door bell won't work because it won't be a complete circuit. Alright, so I got both those wires off. I'm just going to leave them off for now and go install the doorbell in the front and then come back and do the jumper wires for this. I'm gonna have to make that bigger. Alright, for mine, you can see how it goes back in here. So this wasn't the original door in the house. And I made a little slot here so I can shove all these wires in here. Now if I use that bracket to angle it, I probably wouldn't have to do that, but since I need it, it's already going to be a little bit angled. I made this cavity here so I can shove all the wires in. All these wire nuts work. And that takes care of that part. And we are going to find a place to plug this in. So here's an open outlet that's out of the way. Plug that in. And then you're just going to follow the setup procedure from the app. Make sure you have to have the app downloaded. And that is the install